Today I'll show you how to send money your friend or family. The easy way, by PayPal you can send money without service charge. This one you have to log in the page. After that you have to click the pay and paid, and after pay and get paid, then go send money. Click the send money, click there, and this page coming. They show you if you send money before they show you the name, but you can also writing the name or cell phone anything. But before you can writing our send money or cell phone. Let me see cell phone before I send. And let me put up the phone number. Let me see 718 825 669. They can show this one, or you can send an email. I already sent over here. You can writing your email number also. I already sent. That's why I click direct. This is the person I send the money. I set up the money how much I like to send. I send $70. Let me see, $70 I set up, and over here writing the what is the payment for. You can click there and writing whatever the phone repair, whatever P H O N A phone repair REPAIR এরকম phone repair, that's it. Any language you can use, and then in the bottom you should click the continue. Click that and they show you we suggest good and service if you are paying business. The for friend and family, if you send your friend and family, they don't charge you extra. If you send for good and service, they send charge. If you send $100, $1,000, they charge you percentage sum. Then I send a friend, just a friend and family. Select, and then the purchase does not apply for this payment. When you select that one, you no need to pay extra. Then click continue. This is the page coming. And make sure you check everything. $70 I sent, and I set up already bank account over here, everything. If you don't have bank account, you have to click here and bank account setup. I have already set up. Now send payment now. Click here, send payment now. Okay, money gone. Let me see the message. What is this? You send $70 to it. That's it. Send more money. No, no more money. Send here. Then email should be coming. Write the email come. Sometimes uh, they take a couple minutes, but right now they don't show. No, so that's it. This is a way to send money. How to send money with PayPal. I think it will help you. Thank you for watching this video. This one already they send me the message and email. I check it. Money gone. Thank you for watching this video.